Welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will show you how to remove and replace a battery on a 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan. This video applies to Dodge Caravans made from 2001 all the way up to 2007. First, open the front hood by pulling onto this black lever. Then, to lift the hood up, you'll have to push this black lever to the left side and then pull up. The hood holder goes up here into this hole, and your battery is located right here. Okay, this here is the negative pole marked by a minus, and this here is the positive pole marked by a plus sign. First, you always want to remove the negative battery pole, and you have to unscrew this screw right here, and it's a 10 millimeter. Okay, and once it's unscrewed, you just have to wiggle it off the battery. If your pole is stuck, you might have to use something like a flat screwdriver just to pry it underneath so it releases and so you can remove it. And after you remove the negative battery pole, you can proceed to the positive. Once you have removed the positive battery pole, it's also 10 millimeter screw. The battery will still hold tight because there is still the battery holder right down here. The purpose of this battery holder is to keep the battery steady when you drive so the battery doesn't move, and that's actually a very important feature of this vehicle. And this screw right here is a 13 millimeter socket. Okay, so this is the battery holder once you remove it, so make sure to install it back once you install a new battery. And now the battery is ready to be replaced. It's completely loose. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.